Are you ready to transform your body and build muscles like never before? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through proven techniques and tips for maximizing muscle growth and achieving your fitness goals. First and foremost, it's essential to establish a solid foundation. Start by setting realistic goals and creating a well-rounded workout routine that includes both resistance training and cardiovascular exercises. Consistency is key. When it comes to building muscles, proper form is paramount. Focus on performing exercises with correct technique to target the intended muscles effectively. Don't forget to warm up before each workout to prevent injuries and increase blood flow to your muscles. Next up, let's talk about nutrition. To fuel muscle growth, you need to consume an adequate amount of protein. Include lean sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs in your diet. Additionally, complex carbohydrates and healthy fats should be a part of your meals to support energy levels and overall well-being. Rest and recovery are often underestimated but crucial for muscle development. Give your body time to rest and repair itself between workouts. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and consider incorporating rest days into your routine. To maximize muscle growth, progressive overload is crucial. Gradually increase the weights or repetitions you lift to continually challenge your muscles. Push yourself and step out of your comfort zone to see real progress. Remember, building muscles is a journey. Monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Keep track of your workouts, measure body composition, and take progress photos to stay motivated along the way. Thanks for watching this ultimate guide to building muscles. We hope these proven techniques and tips will help you on your journey to a stronger, more muscular body. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Stay committed, work hard, and embrace the challenge. You've got this.